All right, so here's a nice little bonus with that monitor that costs $15.99. It can cost you more than $15.99 depending. If you want to get your nano etched, if you really want to have your nano etched and you want to have the fancy stand, you get that baby up 2 G's, very close to 2 G's. But anyway, the key thing that I know most people are very concerned with is, what about my cable? Because I'm paying for the stand, I don't even know what I'm paying for anymore. Do I get a power cable? Am I getting a display cable? Yeah, you're going to get a free 1 meter cable, which we can celebrate, because if you didn't get it, you'd be looking at a 1.8 meter cable potentially at $129. Now, believe it or not, these cables are special. I know, Will, I know you're getting irritated, but they're special cables. Trust me, because when I'm trying to send these Thunderbolt cables to my current display setup, I'm like, why are they so short? I can't put these displays wherever I want. And I'm in the forums, and people are saying, I have this music studio and I want to put these displays over there, but I have the computer far away because I can't have any noise. And then you end up running into these cable limitations for length because of the high throughput of Thunderbolt. Now, in the olden days, you could have an optical cable from Corning on older varieties of Thunderbolt. They don't really make them anymore. And so I would have these things running all over the place. And now, at least from Apple, you go, what do you go? You go up to, 3 meters. There's coming 3 soon.
Meters. Yeah.
Cost a little extra, too.
3 meters is coming soon, which is not as long as I would want.
For $30 more?
But it's a huge improvement. 3 meter cable is a huge improvement, gives you more flexibility. But otherwise, yeah, 1.8 meters is not that long, I'm telling you right now. So consider that. If you buy any of this stuff and you're imagining your setup, consider this, that you have some cable limitations for like how you configure it, particularly in like a music setting. Though I know with Apple's new studio device, they talked a little bit, and Apple has always been good with this, about how much sound output there is from the fans running and things like this. They've always considered this, how to make a quiet machine. So you can probably have this thing near your recording setup. Although I know for some individuals who are very tuned, they will still want to move this thing somewhere away from anywhere near their microphones.
Do you think the fabric here has anything to do with distortion? Does it fix it or anything?
Oh, yeah. It's a nicely insulated cable.
Okay.
But you just have these you have these limitations for distance for that amount of throughput that Thunderbolt 4 is capable of.
Interesting.
So I don't know if Corning is going to change what's going on and doing like some sort of optical over a longer run, but those are very crazy expensive. So on the last generation Thunderbolt 3, I had a Corning optical cable, which I was actually using to do some networking stuff ages ago. And it was like, I don't know, a couple $1,000s or something like that at the time for a very long one. I mean, you can still see it here. What is that? Click on Thunderbolt Optical, Corning's website. Let's just see if they have anything planned. No, Thunderbolt 3 Optical is the last that they list. They tapped out. Actually, you know what? It was not even Thunderbolt 3. It was Thunderbolt 2, the super long cable that I had. And it honestly might have been 100 feet or something.
Why am I downloading this? What is this? Why is there a download for a cable?
I guess you're going to get a PDF of the features or something. I don't know. You can't buy it from them directly, I don't believe. Yeah, see, there's a where to buy button. It was a thing that they were, they had no interest in retailing themselves. It's just a niche. You had to get it off B&H or something like that. But anyway, Apple's giving you 1 meter. You can buy 1.8 meters, and then coming soon 3 meters, which is going to change your capabilities with your setup. You can get it 3 meters away, your monitor 3 meters away from your system. But this is all expensive stuff. $100, $150 plus.